Hello, welcome to Crypto Street. I am Violet. Today is the 21st of June, 2022. This video we will talk about AST. Circle as USDC flips Tether as AST in daily transactions on Ethereum. Circle as USD coin USDC stablecoin has surpassed Tether as AST by the number of daily transactions on the Ethereum blockchain, according to data shared by Alex Svanovich, CEO of on-chain data hub Nansen. It should be noted that there is more AST tokens on chain than on Ethereum since the former is significantly cheaper. Circle as dollar-pegged stablecoin is yet to flip AST by market cap. The two cryptocurrencies are currently valued at $67.8 billion and $55.5 billion, respectively. Although it should be noted that AST has been steadily losing its market share after a slew of redemptions over the past weeks. AST also has a significant lead in daily trading volume over USDC 55 billion and 5.7 billion, respectively, as it remains the lifeblood of the cryptocurrency economy. Tether said that it had zero exposure to the embattled cryptocurrency firm Celsius earlier this week. The company also refuted false rumors about holding Chinese commercial papers that are trading at a massive discount. In a recent interview with the New York Times, Tether CTO Paulo Arduino said that the company would be willing to redeem its tokens to the last cent. AST came under pressure in May following the collapse of Terra USD AST, which was the biggest algorithmic stablecoin, briefly losing its peg. Due to pressure from lawmakers, regulators, economists, and naysayers within the industry, AST remains vulnerable, which benefits rival USDC. Other stablecoins are also vying to capture a bigger share of the market. Binance USD BUSD, the stablecoin of cryptocurrency BMS Binance. If you wanna step into cryptocurrency field, it is time to action. Click the link below and register Lbank Exchange and start to earn. This is Crypto Street. See you next time.